Hello friends, welcome to our channel again. In this video I am going to show you HP LaserJet M233DW printer, and in this printer everything is perfect, but we want to increase the sleep auto off after inactivity 1 minute. So we want to increase the time because the printer is going sleep after 1 minute. So the customer is doesn't know the settings. So let's check how to change or increase the time of sleep auto off after inactivity. So first of all, we have installed the software in the computer. Then next goes to HP LaserJet M2FFDW series printer, 232 series printer, and in this page we found a HP device toolbox. We have to click on HP device toolbox. Here loading the contents of the pages. Here energy settings. When we click or change for energy settings, when we click on energy settings, it will need a password. To access the printer settings, select the printer administrator username and password, where the username is admin, and to find the password we have to go to the printer and open the top cover. You will find here username is admin and password is not, pin is 391890996. 391890996. So let's apply 3918, sorry, 89096. 391 391890996. Then press OK and the page will open. Here we have to change, set the auto with auto off on technology. Here 1 minute has given, we have to do it for 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So at least 15 minutes should be done. Delay when port is active, and you have to apply it here, and our device is ready. It will go to standby mode after 15 minutes. So let's check again. Open the device toolbox. Here the door open message. We have closed the door and check the energy settings again. Energy settings. Here password. The password I have shown you in the printer, 390890996. Sorry, we have forgotten the password. 391890996. 391 391890996, and you can see here our auto off auto on technology is extended from 1 minute to 15 minutes. Thank you very much.